Hey XSwap fam, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of farming in V3. If you're ready to maximize your returns, stick around as we guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. What is farming in XSwap V3? Farming here entails providing liquidity to a pool and then staking these LP tokens to earn additional rewards. It's an excellent method to leverage your assets and accumulate extra tokens over time. How to get started? First, log into your XSwap V3 account. Once you're in, navigate to the farm's dashboard. Select the pair you want to farm and click on it. To proceed, ensure you have liquidity in the chosen pool. If you don't have liquidity, click on New Position to add liquidity. If you've already added liquidity, navigate to the respective position that isn't staked. Click on Stake and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Your liquidity is now staked in the pool. This is where the magic happens, you're now farming. And there you have it. Farming in XSwap V3 is a powerful strategy to grow your crypto portfolio. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Happy farming. Take care.